So a few months ago, there was this event and a keynote address where NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang made this comment that in the future, IT will be the HR of AI agents. Makes for a great Forbes headline, but I'm not really sure I agree. I'm curious to get your take because I'm not really sure what all the mystery is around AI agents and how to work with them. We actually already have frameworks that we should run with. Whether your employee is a human or AI, at the end of the day, the core question around performance still comes down to what is the customer or patient experience that you're trying to deliver? And is that AI or human employee following and living up to your brand promise? Are they following your processes? Are they using the right protocols? Is their data entry good? All that stuff we already do. We already have a way to define a task and a role and performance standards and to regularly review it. And so I think one of the practices that's really helped us at Zenerate, whether we're doing training or employee-facing agents or customer-facing agents, is just take all of that work and put it in an org chart and have the conversation the way that you already do today. And when you do, you start to have the ability to manage the transformation of trying to bring in AI employees in a holistic, thoughtful way. So here's an example that I have from some recent work that we've been doing just to make it a little bit more real. We were working with a customer who is trying to bring AI agents into the day-to-day flow more with an employee-facing bent. And you've got a human manager with a small team of human associates, but then these new AI agent concepts where one of them you want a daily coaching touch point where the AI agent will take a call and take a QA rubric and just have a 10-15 minute coaching session with every agent at least once or twice a day. You have another one where you want to have an AI tutor that's going to actually do refresher training or fill in gaps on new policies and procedures. So they're using one of Zenerate's AI tutor products to do this. When we put it in an org chart like this, it demystified how are these folks supposed to work together. And it also brought up the fact that those human managers were not ready to lead the AI agents or work with the AI agents who needed to deliver the work this way. So it doesn't solve the whole problem, but something as simple and tried and true as putting it in an org chart with some job descriptions suddenly unlocked a really thoughtful leadership conversation. So I'm curious, what's your take? Do you think IT will be the new HR of AI agents?